Welcome back, guys. Becky's friends are coming over, Mike and Miles, so they'll be staying at the camp. We're just sorting things out. Put a nice great big tarp up, so one of us are going to dive under there and Mike and Miles are going to dive somewhere, I think, around camp. And Louise is coming up, and Mrs. B, I don't know if she's going to stay, but she's coming up as well. Becky's going to do a bit of cooking, so it's going to be a nice great weekend. So I'm going to see about that coffee, I think. Been away to Wales, if you want to check that out, on in the Land Rover. Spent 5 days there, and then back to my camp. So check that out on Bushwacker Overland. Lovely place, stunning scenery. We had snow, rain, ice, we had the lot all thrown at us in 5 days. 28 hours hunkered down in the Land Rover. But great adventure. That kettle's ticking away nicely. Amazing what a bit of tarp does. Oh, pleased with that. Hey Buster, what do you reckon of that? We can dive under here when it's raining. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice day. Hopefully they're bringing their crossbows, aren't they?
Yeah, they're planning on doing that.
Becky's going to wear a Target t-shirt and we're going to go shooting.
Because I have been training recently with my running, so
Yeah,
I reckon I'll be alright.
I reckon you can.
With your aim as well.
Yeah, my aim, yeah, you'll be fine, Bex. But if you can run 355 feet a second, good luck to you.
Just zigzag out the trees doing an apocalypto.
Yeah, I
I'll
reckon
be
you'll be
alright,
fine.
won't I?
Yeah, bob and weave, that's the best thing. Bob and weave.
Yeah, so it should be good. And then we got spag bowl later. The remaining mini rolls that you haven't eaten.
One. There's one left. we caned all the treats before Mike and Miles turned up. So
what was it? Pack of Jaffa Cakes.
We went on the munch.
Pack of mini rolls.
Yeah. We went on the munch last night. We were a bit hungry after our walk. I see Becky eating something quietly in my tent, so I thought I'd join her. So it was about 2 packs down, weren't we?
Something like that, yeah.
All chocolated up.
The munch on.
Yeah. But it looks like a green screen because there's no wind. Waking up to that.
Yeah, it's lush.
Now that is
Buster,
beautiful. He's bought something back for you, Bex.
Bone, isn't it?
Buster's dug up some antique bone. It's probably some primitive man kicking around.
Some caveman. Lovely.
Bet that's nice, boy, hey. 200-year-old bone. Mike and Miles have turned up and have made them comfortable.
Very comfortable. Too comfortable. I'm going to fall asleep in a minute.
Had a good journey.
It was about 2 hours, somewhere around there. Well, it was, but we stopped off for a bacon butty. Yeah. You got to stop off for a bacon
As
butty,
you do.
haven't you?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, you've got a beautiful spot here, haven't you?
Yeah, it's
God,
nice, isn't it? It's
dear
comfortable. Shame the sun weren't shining, it would have been lovely. We all had a kit.
Yeah. I don't really care if it's going to rain or snow. Buster,
Nice,
come here. Come here,
Got
Buster.
a new friend and all, isn't you?
Buster, he's my mate now, isn't he?
He'll sleep with you tonight then.
Yeah. I've only got a one-man tent. That could be a bit interesting.
Yeah, it'd be alright.
He'll be okay, won't he?
Keep him warm, won't it?
So it's been a little while since we've seen you guys.
It's been a good year,
Because of
hasn't it?
COVID.
Yeah.
That's horrible. That is absolutely horrible. So long, isn't it?
Yeah. Have we changed much? I think I've got more handsome.
Do you think so? a little bit more sexy around the corners, eh?
Bit more rugged, I'd say. Look at
I'll
that.
tell you what, it's about time you made me a coffee. Wasn't it?
Oh,
It's about 10 minutes ago, wasn't it? How do you like it? Every 10 minutes.
No, I'm fine, thanks. Thanks for offering, Bex.
Have you got some?
Oh, Miles.
No, I'm
He was
not
just,
teasing you.
he
I'm
was
not
just
teasing
saying
you.
he wanted a coffee before, wasn't he?
did you want one? Yeah, I did.
They look comfy, don't they, Bex?
Nah.
What was that coffee you got me last time?
That one?
You made me that.
Oh, that Fuji.
Yeah,
Fuji, yeah.
Did you like that?
No.
Yeah, you did you? You nearly like spat it out.
Yeah.
I mean, it wasn't like a proper Nescafe or something like that, was it?
I bet you don't like that.
Well, I was.
Lidl special.
Lidl's finest.
Is it alright?
Beautiful. So I thought it was Nescafe. God, his little taste buds are bloody gone, haven't they?
Yeah.
He went off to drink a few cups of that
Yeah.
stuff. It's like a little cowboy coffee, that is. Rots you over inside out.
There's a few leaves and stuff in it. That'll be alright, won't it?
Yeah.
You ever tried that pine tea stuff?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
We should give him a bit of nettle tea.
No, I've had it. Already had it before. Love it.
How is it?
That's beautiful.
Is that alright?
I tell you what, we got some biscuits to go with this.
Becky,
Yeah,
bring
we
the
know,
pack of biscuits.
Hey?
We got tea cakes.
No, I don't want biscuits.
Do you want a tea cake? You want
Yes.
tea? Yeah. Becky, bring the tea cake. I'll have one.
She says she's going over to Tanzania.
Yeah, 2 weeks today.
2 weeks time, and you're going for 3 months.
Yeah.
I am
Bloody
so
hell.
jealous. That must be gorgeous.
You'll have a nice time, won't you?
Yeah. In the heat.
See, I can't stand the heat. I prefer the cold.
Whereas I'm not. I'm like to get really warm
Yeah.
and stuff
Yeah.
like that. It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what are you doing over there? You doing
Bit of volunteer work, bit of just living life really.
what sort of
Just living-
volunteer is it? Not building stuff, is it?
No, it's with disabled children.
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
Actually, I'll have one of those as well.
Yeah.
Don't you want one of these?
No, I don't. Yeah,
oh,
I do.
go on, these are mine. So we're just telling some unusual stories, and Mike's come up with this ghost story. If you want to hear it,
Probably
You should tell it at night, really.
yeah.
we should be around
Well,
a
it's a truce.
campfire.
yeah.
shouldn't we?
Well, it's a truce. Oh yeah, tonight would be better.
No,
It's
it's-
No, he's got a coffee in hand. That's the
No,
last
it's-
one today.
Oh yeah, by the fire later.
Yeah.
We'll
What
tell
a
other
few-
stories tonight. We'll hear the ukulele anyway later.
Oh yeah.
For my singing.
Oh my goodness, it would clear the place. I'll tell
What are
you.
you trying to say?
Come on, let's hear this story. A ghost passed through him.
No, true story.
It is a true story. So I was driving home.
Why
one
don't you
night.
take that out so it sounds really serious?
I feel like the hat undermines the.
He's gonna believe you with that hat on.
The hat's staying.
It looks like a ghost, doesn't it?
It
Yeah.
is.
true,
It's my
yeah.
ghost, isn't
No,
it?
can't it? Let's hear it.
Yeah,
Can't.
yeah, the human encounter.
Can't, let's get back into it because it went all quiet, didn't it?
Yeah.
Driving
I like-
home, and we're in a drove road, so that means it's, I don't know, maybe 500-600 years old road, if not beforehand, and the banks are right up here like this. So driving back, full beam on down this country road, single track, and in the distance, not too far away, but ahead of me, you could actually see this like it was a cloud, but it was a cloud in the shape of a human being, and you could make out that it was a human being, but in the shape of a cloud, which it sounds ridiculous, but you could see through it, but it was solid enough that you could actually make it out, and it was pure white, absolutely pure white, and it came down from the side into the road at exactly the same time that my car went through it like that, and I saw it go through the bonnet, through the actual glass. It was like almost slow motion through me, and honestly I just went cold. It was just fear, absolute fear cold, and then it passed through me as I was driving this direction, and in my mirror I saw it go up the other bank that side.
How many joints have you been smoking?
Unfortunately I hadn't been smoking any, but I'll
So
tell
no
you
alcohol influences.
nothing,
Not
nothing at all.
tired.
But I'll tell you what
You
I
said
did.
you was a little bit tired though,
I was tired, but there were,
but you couldn't. You've
The-
been tired before, and you've never seen nothing like that.
this thing went through me. I firmly know what I saw and what happened to me, and I literally turned the light on in the car like that, and I just drove home with the light on. That was scary. I don't scare easy, but I was scared.
Even when you look in the mirror in the morning.
I'm not that scared.
That's quite a good story, isn't it?
Anyone else?
That's a good
Yeah.
story. I could picture you explained that well. I could picture the road and the cloud coming down.
It was pitch black.
So you believe in ghosts now because of that?
Yeah, definitely.
Did you
That's
believe
what
in
set
them
you.
before that?
Sorry?
Did you believe in ghosts before that?
I was typically like everybody else. Oh, you hear stories, but you don't know, do you?
No.
You just
You
don't know
experience it
until you
yourself.
experience
Yeah.
it. And I experienced that. So.
That's kind of where I am. I hear all these stories and I think, well, I haven't experienced it for myself. I haven't I haven't seen it. Like, for all I know, like, I don't think you're lying, obviously, but like, Still, you don't know until you see it yourself.
When it happens,
What
though,
about you? You do a lot of camping out. Have you seen or heard anything strange during your campouts?
yeah, we've heard weird noises and things, but it could just be
That was
nature.
Becky.
Snoring alone. Becky snoring.
So you've heard weird noises, have you?
Yeah, but I mean, foxes sound weird,
Yeah.
don't they?
Deer barking and stuff like that. You know,
Badgers and stuff like that around the place.
Things seem louder at night as well.
Yeah,
don't
they do.
your mind plays tricks on you.
Yeah.
But I love that, don't you? Do you not
Yeah.
like being in a hammock, especially?
Yeah.
Just swinging, just gently, just listening to all the actual wildlife. And this time of year, you get cuckoos, don't you, going out, and
Yeah.
also nightingales. I mean, nightingales sound all sorts of weird
Yeah,
sounds,
beautiful.
don't they?
What about when you're in the hammock and it's a still night and the hammock rocks?
Oh yeah.
What about that? Have you had that experience?
I've had that experience before, but I just think that's slightly moving, or I don't know. No.
My experience was sleeping in my tent. It was about 3 o'clock in the morning, and I heard my zip go. I was half asleep, and I heard a voice, a young girl's voice, call my name 3 times. As I woke up, there was no one there, and I thought it was Becky, but there was nothing. So that's my little ghost story.
But the actual zip would have been undone.
The zip was physically undone.
It probably was.
We had a
Becky.
few whiskies that night.
Yeah, Becky's cooking was. You
No, I don't
did
know
cook
what
that,
that was.
and then the
was
same night your mince went missing with the spaghetti.
Well, it was probably the fox then.
Hungry ghost.
What, calling my name?
Then we found out
That's a hell of a fox.
a girl, what is it? A girl had died in these.
Yeah, there's a lot of
Woodland.
history in this
Yeah, it's a lot-
woodland.
lot of
It's
history.
haunted apparently.
Girl got murdered.
Is it ancient woodland?
Yeah, so if you've got a ghost
Well, you
story
found
or you've had an
bones,
encounter,
yeah,
put it in the
that's
comments
easy.
below.
Yep.
Headless horseman. The headless. That's a
No, in this
You've
woods,
seen Headless-
there was
Headless
that
Horseman?
horse though, isn't there?
headless horseman.
No, it ain't.
You hear that?
Yeah, but I swear there was in this woodland.
There's a few headless deer in this woodland, though, isn't there?
A few headless characters and all.
Yeah.
Wait, did you see the girl's face?
No, I didn't see. No, I just heard the
was
voice.
you probably
The
dreaming.
call woke me up.
How scared were you? Honesty, be honest. Were you scared, or was
Well,
it just?
I rung Becky on speed. Oh, Becky, come round here.
Oh, that was
No, would
sleep.
you?
No, I sort of shunned it and went back to sleep.
Yeah.
But
You see,
Was
my
you
one.
shocked?
I'm more scared of the physical.
No,
than
was
the
you shocked
spiritual.
though? Was you like? You said you
Yeah.
you heard the noise and you woke up, so
Yeah,
you were
I woke up.
sleeping.
Yeah.
So you was asleep.
It could have been a dream. I could have left the
Don't
door
know, yeah.
open. I could have
Yeah,
left the
you
door.
could've
There's a
gone
lot of
for a
could
wee in the
ifs.
night.
There's a lot of could ifs. Anyone else with any scary stories?
No, I don't.
No. Ange?
No. He waking up next to you.
Brilliant. That was brilliant.
Yeah, that's why you're not scared of much, is it? Because you see me in the morning, nothing else. Yeah, just do a C and just.
Can you do let
Strum.
it be?
I've got no idea what the chords are. On the piano, yeah.
Can you do it on a guitar as well?
I could work it out on a guitar, yeah. I just don't know what the actual each individual string is, so I don't know what notes each.
It's
What made you get a ukulele then?
Oh, is it completely different to a
because
guitar
I
then?
Yeah.
wanted something
Ah.
small and portable that was easy.
Yeah.
If this
Guitars
starts
are
on a
non
C,
musically illiterate.
Is it like playing a
So am
completely
I.
different instrument?
I've
Yeah.
got no
Oh,
idea.
is it?
So I thought if I can get a tune, and I was getting quite good on it, I'd give up on it.
Why?
I don't know, it's time, isn't it? I sit down for an hour, sometimes I don't even get an hour's thing. Sometimes I'm reading or I'm chilling out.
Yeah.
But even just like strumming patterns.
Yeah.
Quite a long to get a tune out of it.
Yeah, I mean, I was probably looking to get one of those because it'd be quite handy to take around camping.
Can't let's
you
hear a
get
bit of a
it?
strum. I'll sing, you strum.
A strum, what? Just
Yeah, you must know strumming patterns. don't you?
yeah. I mean,
That'll
What,
be good
I mean,
later when
C?
we've had a, when we've
Here we
had
go
a drink.
then.
that sounded. You had them there, didn't you, for C?
Yeah, C's one chord.
There.
Yeah.
Are you musical? Neither am I. I've got no idea.
I would love to.
It's nice
Would
though,
you?
isn't it?
It is actually, yeah.
Why don't you do it then?
Lovely for
I feel
travelling.
like I don't have
Seems like
the
it goes down.
attention span.
I am so musically unaware. It's
Not I
unbelievable.
though, but I've made a bit of progress. What do you reckon I'm playing?
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
Well done, Tucky.
I'd like to kind of spend an hour sort of, you know,
Yeah, we'll have a go later around the
like,
fire.
like I did with the guitar. You just
Yeah.
watch YouTube videos and it just absorb.
Oh, is that how you learned then?
That's how
YouTube? Really?
A mixture of YouTube, yeah. Because I mean, I played the piano. I was taught the piano professionally, but then, like, I just applied that to the guitar.
How long did it take you to learn?
The piano I was playing for like 7 or 8 years, but then the guitar, you kind of get an understanding of what of how to play music when
It's
you
quite
build
nice
the
up
piano,
here
and
when
then you
you're
can
on
just
your own
move
because it
that to
sounds.
other
When you're
instruments.
playing, it sounds.
No, it's
good.
alright,
So what was it?
there's no
Few
one here to
months
judge you anyway.
What, sorry?
A few months then.
Yeah,
I do
yeah, you
like
can
it.
kind of get a
It
rough
sounds
idea.
like that's definitely something for you for your car or van, isn't it?
Yeah,
With a bit of woodland.
bit of entertainment, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice making
Keep your
your own.
mind occupied.
You fancy go? That's dead easy. Cocked, so it's not going to do anything, right? All you do is you aim through that to there. That top in there, okay? Line those up like that, okay? And your safety switch is there. Okay? Before you fire, just you push that forward.
Yeah.
But we'll do that when there's nobody up front. You okay?
You got a clear line of sight there, haven't you?
Yeah.
Oh, hit a tree.
I hit a tree.
At least you hit something.
How miles on a day first?
Sorry?
Or it's got a stump.
Could have bounced, I guess, but it sounded like.
Oh, my one went to Scotland, didn't it?
Inside the tree.
The tip has.
No, I'm fine, thank you. Lift up to the car, get the top.
Your light up?
Yes, please.
It'll go down to that.
Really? Was it expensive?
This one was about 70.
Oh, not too bad actually.
Very, very similar to Becky's.
Yeah.
But I've also got the Coleman. The Coleman
Have you got a lot of space inside?
No.
Just no.
This is a one man.
Yeah.
So you've got literally just enough for one man.
Yeah.
And then you've got enough for your kit as well.
Oh, that's alright then.
Couldn't fit a dog in there?
Couldn't fit a dog in.
It was only about 60 or 70, I think.
What's it called?
70 quid.
Yeah, I've no idea what it's called. It's by Gear Top, but it's just a little one-man hoop bivvy.
What that is?
Single skin.
Oh, that's well
Once you
cool.
peg it out, it keeps it all in like a tunnel tent type thing.
Oh, cheers,
Next
mate.
your one.
Thanks a lot.
Yes, please.
Cool.
Don't you start laughing.
Dancing on the sea.
Like, don't wake me up with it.
Oh, you drinking?
Probably like the 5 kg. Do you want lager?
No, I don't drink beer.
You don't drink beer?
No, I
Don't
don't.
you?
My fault, I'm sorry, I should have
There's apple jacks in there.
Yeah, I'll tell that. Well, after I've eaten.
Yeah, not very good at this.
Cheers, man.
And I've got a lager.
So, oh, do you drink Foster's, Bet?
He does now.
Yeah.
Do you handle that old thing?
You said Foster's, didn't he?
Yeah. Oh,
Good health and prosperity.
Yeah, cheers.
I feel a bit left out.
Cheers,
Cheers,
Miles.
Madame.
Let's see your skills again.
Let's see your skills. Were you a majorette?
Look at that, eh?
Yeah, we need to get one. We need to get some of those.
It is as gorgeous.
Every time I go to buy a new knife, I
You
scroll
got some
past
serious
those steers.
sweat,
One day
haven't you?
I'm going to get a steer.
Can you imagine that? Just like, go on then. Just like,
Yeah.
yeah,
Careful, Buster. You don't like, cave in.
Imagine when they bring a fella back, they meet me. Jesus Christ.
What's your intentions, my daughter, eh?
On that one or?
I think there was a lot of spaghetti on
What
that
a
one.
star. Thank you,
Whoever's-
Bex. Oh,
All the spaghetti.
no, that's good. That tastes really good.
Cheers, Bex.
Done a good job,
Yeah,
kid.
I'm going to have this one.
You done a good job, Pat.
You can come again.
Is it hot enough?
Yeah, that's gorgeous. Yeah. Sound of munching. It's gorgeous.
Very nice.
Is that not full?
Oh, I've got this one now. That's right, Bex.
Picked some good weather, didn't we?
Not too bad though.
Yeah.
Best spot of the place, isn't it?
I just had a couple of Fosters. I'm nearly at my limit. We had a lovely meal,
Nearly.
and there's washing up that needs to be done. We did select Louise, but Louise don't really want to do it, so we're going to have a shot at the target with the bow and arrow. Whoever misses the target washes up, so it's a knockout.
Let's go and have a look. Let's go and do it.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready? I don't think you're going to fare very well, I'm afraid.
Oh, nice and support.
Eh?
Nice and support.
Yeah, of course you can. Let's get the problem home.
Yeah. I took a cheerleading course, so that's fine.
Oh,
I'm in.
Who's next? Go on, Miles.
It's not going to go.
What if we all miss it?
Who you keep going
We're all
to?
going.
Oh.
Go on, Robin Hood.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Oh, it was close. Man, the myth, the legend.
The man, the myth, the...
The bell end.
Will he
I
do
got
it?
that in.
Do he?
It's not looking good.
Robin of Laxley.
Oh.
So I'm not washing up, so we're going to have another shot. So Miles is going first. Go on, boy. You don't want to wash up. You don't want to get your hands wet. Let him concentrate. You don't want to wash up, does he?
Oh!
Go on, Robin. Go on, Robin.
Go on.
Feel the force of Robin the Loxley. Just say, I'm Robin the Loxley, and you'll hit it. Just as you shoot. Go on, Robin the Loxley. It's Robin the Loxley.
My go.
Ben will be washed up for once.
Yeah, look at that. Go on, Miles. Just say Robin the Loxley.
Then you go.
Is that the...
Go on, Robin the Loxley. Robin the Loxley.
Say it.
Robin and Oxley. I have to do my Jason Statham impression.
Oh!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Miles, you're washing up.
Oh, she's done
Well
it
done.
for you.
Been there
She's
all
done it
night,
anyway.
Oh, that spag bowl all over here, didn't we? That was gorgeous.
You don't have to be
wall.
lovely now, though.
Sorry?
You don't have to be lovely.
No, what would be lovely
You're
now?
going to say
A
apple
nice
pie,
apple
innit?
pie.
An apple pie!
We go down a tree.
I'll tell you what,
Imagine if someone made apple pie here.
Yeah,
Go on,
imagine
Louise,
that.
you're really good. You've got apple pie hands.
isn't there that girl called Girl Outdoors
Oh
or
yeah,
someone?
girl outdoors, isn't it? Yeah.
She makes nice apple
Oh,
pie,
yeah.
doesn't
Wow.
You know these
Do
celebrities.
you want another
types,
coffee?
she? In order, yes please. Thank you. Sorry?
You know, I got to put up with.
What have you got to put up with? Don't you worry about me, I'll be fine. I'll just
You want
start.
some? There
Oh,
you
okay, that's
go.
a good idea. Oh, I'll see you.
Take a few so I ain't coming back over again.
You have one.
Don't trust Becky with the biscuits.
No, I'm just taking another one for luck.
I just want one.
Do you want another one?
I've got one.
I ain't coming back over.
You're always trying to force food on me now.
Where are you?
Miles?
No, I'm good, thank you. I've worked
That'd
my
be
way,
lovely. That'd be lovely with a hot chocolate, actually.
Will it?
I've worked my way through all
I'm
the
talking
biscuits
about
over
apple pie.
Oh yeah.
Morning, guys. Great night last night. A few drinks, bit of a chat and a laugh around the fire. So all in all, it was a great time. Just got the fire on, making a nice brew. Just waiting for the boys to wake up. They need a lot more sleep than us because they're not as beautiful. Yeah. See the old sleeping beauties.
Morning!
Right, mate, how you going? How was it? Sleep well?
Like a bloody log, mate.
Yeah.
You want a coffee?
Oh, what a girl!
You better get up and make one.
You don't mean it, Bex.
Yeah,
How
start
did
the
you all
day with a
sleep?
nice coffee. Yeah, I slept really well. I think I had a little greeting with a Sasquatch.
Oh, look at that, the tent's coming down.
Cool, yeah, look at that.
Becky.
Easy displacement. Who took the pegs out?
Sorry,
Cool,
second.
didn't it rain last night?
It came down bad, didn't it?
Yeah,
Oh, but how lovely was that? Just in the tent? Just,
Yeah.
Hello, bastard, hello,
yeah,
mate.
it was cosy.
Hello, mate. Oh, hey. What's the time, do you know?
It's about 4:30. No, it's 8
o'clock.
o'clock, yeah.
Slept well. Did you
Yeah.
sleep well?
Yeah, really well, yeah.
Warm as well, it's lovely.
It was nice. Yeah. I think Becky's putting the coffee on.
What a girl.
It's nice now though, beautiful.
It is, isn't it?
How was it in there?
My normal look.
Good, Miles?
Huh?
Was it good in there last night?
Yeah, it was great in here
Yeah?
actually.
Plenty of room?
Just enough, yeah.
Just enough,
Yeah,
yeah.
you can crawl over and it's sort of,
Yeah,
you got a bit of headroom here as well, so it's not quite as claustrophobic as I thought.
yeah.
Buster with you, is he?
Yeah. It's curled up just next to my tent.
I'll tell you what, Buster's got to be like the best dog in the world.
Yeah.
He is, isn't he? She's a real star. So how long have you guys been up for?
What's the time now? I haven't been up.
4, wasn't it? We went for a walk about 4ish.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course you did,
Got
yeah.
some nettles.
Climbed the mountain
She went for the
back here.
toilet about 4ish, that's
Yeah.
for sure.
Hey, I saw you run up there. This
Yeah.
morning.
Yeah, I looked at Miles' setup. I thought, God, he's asleep. I went straight away.
Yeah.
Lou's not up yet, you're not?
About 10ish.
Yeah.
She's a late riser.
Do you stay dry enough?
Me? Yeah, I stayed dry fine actually. Yeah. I mean, I pissed inside the tent, but other than that, you know.
I'll tell you what, this is a good tent, but my favourite of all time has got to be that Coleman Cobra 2.
Really?
Yeah, you love that.
Oh,
You
don't
like
you?
that, do you?
Just-
Coleman?
Yeah, it's a brilliant tent.
Yeah.
It's like
really
the
is.
Bango, but like
Bulletproof.
I prefer yours. 'cause
Do
it's
you?
got a nice
Oh yeah,
mesh inside, isn't it?
nice mesh, but the
Yeah.
poles are strong as hell.
Yeah.
I'll have a coffee, Bex, if you make it. Miles, do you want another hot chocolate?
Yeah, that'd be brilliant.
Fucking my legs. That's how you got to warm up when you've been in the bobcat all night.
It is.
So Bobcat.
I know what I need now. Tell you what, there's a lad outside. Flags up here somewhere.
Yeah.
I've been looking at that BK7 for ages, but that BK9's just beautiful. Batoning and stuff.
You want toasted bread?
Don't care. As it comes.
You want definitely sent? Yeah.
What's the bacon butty like, guys?
It's superb. Bacon, egg,
Looked after them, haven't you, Bex?
Yeah, sure have. We'll see how it turns out though, won't we?
Pity there's no coffee.
No, never happy. Men are never happy.
Am I killing your knees?
Nah, you're all good.
I'm all good.
Light as a feather.
She's
You
got
are.
knees of steel.
She's got thighs of steel and
I'm fine.
iron thighs.
So, Mike and Miles are off. They've had a great time.
We smell off, yeah.
We've had a lovely
Yeah,
time.
you do.
We've got a 2-hour journey home.
Yeah. On M25.
Yeah.
Got to leave the woods.
Yeah.
Go back to normality. Don't want to do it.
leave all the good cooking. Becky, good seat area.
Yeah.
Nice cushion.
Can't feel my legs.
Bacon sarnies this morning, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that was good. Pity about the coffee, of course.
Oh.
But we've had a good laugh. Learned a few skills off
Yeah.
each other. So,
Yeah.
no, it's been a nice time.
Yeah, it's been a cracking time actually, hasn't it? Yeah, it's been good.
nice.
So, till the next time.
Let's not make it a yearly thing
Until the
again.
next
No.
time.
Yeah.
Make it a bit
Yeah.
quicker, eh?
Yeah, definitely. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll all see you, well I will, on the next one, and can everyone say, enjoy the great outdoors?
Enjoy the great
Enjoy the great
outdoors.
Enjoy the great outdoors.
Enjoy the great
Cheers.
outdoors.